In the South, we take barbecue and barbecue sauce very seriously. It's more of a way of life. Admitting your favorite type of barbecue sauce in the South is sort of like voting. You go with your gut, but never tell Mama about it. Get your wet wipes ready, y'all, because we are going on a sticky journey through time and space to discover the secret history of barbecue sauce. It is finger-licking good. I cannot believe I just said that. This is the tea. Alrighty, y'all, let's get started. Getting lost in the sauce. Here are the main types of sauce we have in the USA today. Eastern North Carolina vinegar sauce. Spicy and acidic African flavor profile, it's considered the mother of all American barbecue sauces. Piedmont or Lexington-style dip. Tangy vinegar-based sauce that's slightly reddened and sweetened by the introduction of ketchup. South Carolina-style mustard sauce. The mustard-based Carolina Gold is thin with vinegar and doctored with added spices for a zingy flavor. Texas-style mop or basting sauce. A thin glaze that moistens the meat and adds flavor as it smokes. Mop sauces may include beef stock, Worcestershire, and spices like salt, pepper, and garlic. Alabama white sauce, a creamy mixture of mayonnaise, vinegar, and pepper that's best applied to smoked chicken. I'm going to tell you my personal favorite sauce. Alabama white sauce. Great on chicken. Heck, I might even put it on my beef brisket. Literal liquid gold. Don't knock it till you try it. Origin story of barbecue sauce. Okay, rewind. Let's learn more about what barbecue sauce actually is and where it came from. Barbecue sauce is officially a sauce used as a marinade, basting condiment, or topping for meat cooked in the barbecue cooking style. Most historians believe the creation of barbecue and barbecue sauce dates back to the 1500s. The first American adaptation of barbecue sauce can be placed during colonization of America, from the Taino people of the Caribbean, Native Americans, Africans, and Spanish and German settlers. Over time, techniques and recipes have been passed down through generations and evolved into what we call barbecue sauce today. Y'all, I didn't know that the history of barbecue sauce was so interesting. Let's keep the ball rolling. Who bottled the first barbecue sauce? Louis Mall of St. Louis was sighted selling his barbecue sauce in a horse-drawn wagon in 1897 and officially bottled his recipe in 1926, which apparently beat H.J. Heinz in Pittsburgh nationally distributing his barbecue sauce in 1948. But there are also accounts of a barbecue sauce by the Georgia Barbecue Sauce Company of Atlanta in 1909. This one is like what my mama always said. If you're not first, you're fashionably late, and there is nothing late about being fashionable. We might never know who did it first, but I'm impressed nonetheless. What are some of the most popular bottled barbecue sauces on the market today? According to Southern Living and the rest of the internet, Stubbs Original Barbecue Sauce might be the most popular and best tasting bottled sauce on the market today. Sweet Baby Ray's Original, and Dinosaur Barbecue Sensuous Slathering Barbecue Sauce, among many, many others. I don't really have a favorite bottled barbecue sauce, if I'm being honest, and most of the time, I'm making my own. Secret ingredients. What does grape jelly, pancake syrup, and smoke have in common? They're all secret ingredients in some people's barbecue sauces. Here's a list of the most unexpected secret ingredients I could find. Coca-Cola, horseradish, Crisco, strong coffee, whiskey, apricot preserves, and last but not least, anchovies. I love covering the rich history of meat sauce. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but I learned a lot about the secret history of barbecue sauce, and I hope y'all did too, and got as hungry as I am. I'm gonna head over to my local barbecue establishment down the road and continue the research. Be sure to click subscribe to keep these videos flowing like the sauce on a baby back rib. Bye, y'all.